Is there a guide? You wait for me naman. You're so fast.
Kala mo means stick.
Oh. We're here. It's close there. Amir. Oh. Here you go.
Dead end.
Here! Pabalik ka na dyan! Zian! Sabing susunod ka, mawawala. Maghintay naman kayo ah.
Ate, you're iwanig, ma!
Oh, where na?
Uy! Salam ka dito.
Left.
Oh.
Oh, siyan.
Diin! Kala ko diin! Imiling sa kala ko diin.
Oh.
Diin.
Dead end ba yun?
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you sure about?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Oh.
Me! Ate, wait!
Siya! Sina!
Ate!
Magmagaling ka.
Oh, running! Me! Stop! Nope, that is better. Alam niyo, remote.
You guys can pass us.
Thank you.
Slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. You go around us. That's us too.
Ate, look. It's dead end. We're running around.
Oh, we're next to it. We just need to follow the next route.
What does it say? It's a hole. Go na.
I mean, it's for
Sorry. Oh.
Check mo lang.
Maganda kung may camera sa taas. yeah, this is the way. That's cool. I thought the exit would be like
We are in the
Running, they're jumping up.
Smile kayo, you made it. Ito kayo, you made it. Exit.
Hot chocolate? Yeah.